Let them understand the before, all right? This is why I come to Kev the Barber. Because this is the before.
I'm dead.
But if you keep watching, you gonna see the after. Woo! What's your after? Reflect on your before. It's all about my position, right?
Yeah, you gotta stay right there. Because if you're in the wrong position, you can't get to the right. You know what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? So let's
got a little foretaste.
stay right there.
Come on
Keep your
now.
head right there.
All right now.
And as we turn,
Hey,
as we turn, we see exactly where we need to be.
Hey, that's what
We
I'm
see
saying.
exactly where we need to go. You know what I mean? If you don't, if you never turn, you may never see.
My word of encouragement: maximize your potential. Reflect on your strengths. Figure out how to maximize that to your advantage. Probably wondering why I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here because I have to be here. Come on now.
Bro.
I chose to be here because what was the value that I was looking for? Haircut. Who do I trust to deliver that value? This man right here.
I'm here.
Came here for that reason. Loyalty. I've been here for about 4, maybe even more than 4 plus years now. Loyalty. And every time I exit, I smile. A smile that brings world peace. I'm never disappointed. Haircuts on point, but it's a matter of who you trust. Who do you trust to give your haircut? Do you go to a different person every time, or do you go to that one person? Find that one person. I recommend Kev the Barber. Let him be that one person for you. You just gotta sit back.
Oh yeah.
And really appreciate the passion, the personality. See, that's the whole package. You don't just want a barber to just cut your hair and say next.
Nope.
He's gonna treat you like a number.
Nope.
You want a brother that's gonna treat you like family. Family. Look at that. He's taking a red comb and combing my hair. I went to this other guy like 8 years ago before this guy. He got like a black comb. It got all types of hair on it. He didn't wash it. Never went to that brother again.
Bam, now we getting into the cut. So see you guys on the other side.
Right now.
Kev the Barber here with another classic, back with my boy Matt. Doing a little fade today. Hope you guys like that intro. Just going in with the line of demarcation right now. Pay very close attention to the hair growth. I'm not just going up and down, I'm going in the complete opposite direction of its hair growth. Some grows left, some goes right, some goes down. Make sure you pay attention to that.
I went to this other guy like 8 years ago before this guy. He got like a black comb. It got all types of hair on it. He didn't wash it. Never went to that brother again.
Where I'm pointing, that's where the hair is cut. Not there, right down there.
A barber to just cut your hair and say next?
Nope.
He's gonna treat you like a number.
Nope.
You want a brother that's gonna treat you like family. Family. Look at that.
Finished my fade, everything's done for the most part. I'm just using my one guard, my half guard, no guard, using clipper over comb, all these different detail works to really take out the dark spots. Right there I'm working on a dent. This is really takes the fade to the next level.
Who do you trust to give your haircut? Think about it. Do you go to a different person every time? Or do you go to that one person?
For an even lineup, you always want to start in the middle and then move to the other side. It's not mandatory, but it really helps you conceptually. And I would not be a YouTuber if I did not do this. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos and would like some more. Thanks a bunch, it really helps out the channel.
Probably wondering why I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here because I have to be here. Come on now. I chose to be here. Because what was the value that I was looking for? Haircut.
Using enhanced hair fibers right now by the Barber company. I sprayed on some spritz just so that it can stay on. Then I spray on another layer of spritz after. It's not in the video, but just so you guys know.
I've been here for about 4, maybe even more than 4+ years now. Loyalty. And every time I exit, I smile. A smile that brings world peace. I'm never disappointed. Remember what I told you about the before? Let them understand the before, alright? This is why I come to Kev the Barber. Because this is the before. Or this is the after. Where does your loyalty lie? Who cuts your hair? Do you go to a different person every time? Or do you trust that one person? Let me tell you. I trust Kevy Kev. For about 5-6 years, Kevy Kev has saved my life. With my hairline. My hairline has been through life. I go back to that journey. It wasn't easy. Man, you saw the roller coasters that were going on. Plastic surgery almost happened.
What is happening?
But my boy Kevy Kev, he knew what he had to do and he got it done. So I'm telling you now, if you need somebody to cut your hair, I recommend Kevy Kev because he did it before. He can do it again, all right? It's all about finding that barber that's not only talented, skilled, but an individual that's passionate in what they do. Kevy Kev, he will cut your hair beautifully and he will also entertain you. He will treat you not only like a customer, but like family. And that's what it's all about. To all the people out there, look for value, not only through a service, but value through community. God bless Kevin and God bless America.
Amen.